Before this video starts, I just want to say that this video has nothing to do with any sort of politics or anything of that nature. This is simply just a YouTube challenge that I put upon myself for this video. So without further ado, let's get into it. Well, welcome back to the channel, guys. If you guys are new here, my name is Byron. I'm a 17-year-old and I live out of my built-out truck part-time, but in the next few months it's going to be closer to full-time. In today's video, we're going to be doing something a little different. We're actually going to be seeing if I can live out of my vehicle and survive off of $5 in today's economy. You may be asking yourself, Byron, how are you going to do that? $5 can only get you bread and butter. So we're going to be going to the grocery store later, and also I'm going to be kind of foraging the land around me. Right now it's kind of morel mushroom season where I live, and then we're also going to be trying our hand at some fishing. I went out yesterday with kind of an inspiration of mine that's going to be put at the end of this video. So yeah, the fish are biting, let's just say that. So I'm going to ride on over to some local woods around me. We're going to be picking apart the woods, seeing if we can get any morels that we can cook up tonight for the feast, and then also be taking a visit to my local grocery store. So let's get riding and hopefully get some food in our pockets. So this type of mushroom, I'll put it up on the screen right now. It kind of just grows on the ground, and you gotta have a really good eye to see it. This is actually my first ever time solo mushroom hunting. And yeah, I don't know exactly where they grow around. I'm not really experienced with this, so we're kind of doing it together. But oh, there ain't nothing out here. But as you guys see the e-bike I'm riding, I'd like to tell you a little bit more about it. So this company, TST, were kind enough to send me a R002 model. This is a 1500 watt e-bike. I have put 79 miles on it the past week. I've been riding this thing all around my town. It's actually very fun, and it's such a good way to get around the woods and go mushroom hunting or go to your fishing spot or whatnot. It even comes with a headlight and then also a tail light. There's 5 modes, all the way from 1 to 5. I'm always on 5 though. The top speed is around 23 miles an hour. I am 6'3" and over 200 pounds though, so that may vary with the size and weight you are. Very simple throttle use right here, gets going, and then also it assists you if you pedal. And if you pedal, it assists you. This e-bike is such a great get around just for going in urban environments and stuff. The suspension is a little stiff, but that's all right depending on how you want to use it. I've hit a few jumps on it, and the landing isn't that delightful, but I think this is more just a cruising bike other than a mountain bike. E-bikes are sending me this e-bike, and everything about them is going to be linked in the description down below. So make sure you go check those out, and also I have a promo code that is linked in the description down below as well. I think it's time to start fishing. But first, I think I'm going to go to the grocery store and get the actual supplies, and then set some goals to that we can forage and acquire off the land. But there is quite a few people that have been out mushrooming these woods. I'm sure this guy's out there doing it right now. And yeah, it is pretty late in the season too, so darn. All right, we we have our budget, $5, and the plan is I'm going to get noodles and then some pancake mix for some breakfast, with the hopes of catching a fish, and then we're gonna like make fish with noodles. Or I could do a fish sandwich. I think I'm gonna do the noodles because I do have a little bit of a cheat, I guess. I have like 3 eggs in my fridge, so I'm gonna count those as like 75 cents since I have them, you know. And they're on sale on noodles, so catch a fish. And here's our pancake mix, 99 cents. This is just like, what can I get for $5 to eat? And then hopefully we catch like a walleye or a decent smallmouth. Feeling a little confident about the spot we're going to. It's like a spillway river thing, a little dam. Hopefully we get lucky and land some dinner. Haven't had fish in a while, and I've never cooked fish out of the truck, so. Well, we've made it to the spot, and it is raging right now, as you can see. It is very high up. Well, not very, but pretty high up. Current is absolutely raging through, and this is our only spot for the night we're gonna be trying, because this is our best shot of having walleye or smallmouth or anything like that. So let's get out there, and hopefully we can get a walleye or a smallmouth or something that'll go along with our noodles and whatnot. Hey. Oh, no. Oh my gosh, that was our dinner right there. That was our dinner. Yes. I hit something out there. I caught a scale. Probably a quailback or a carp. Those are not getting on the menu tonight. Oh, that could have been bad. Oh my goodness. Probably look like I'm drunk. There's a fish. All right, we got one. We're on. Feels good too. What is this thing? Oh, came on. I think it was a carp, because it was like dead weight and it wasn't mouth kicking. Come on, I need supper. Oh, that's a smallie. Oh, oh. I think we have supper. All right, so I I'm gonna put this guy in a sack, and I'm gonna go clean this guy up and get him kind of prepped for dinner, and then we're gonna continue fishing. The scale on it, I got this one. Oh my gosh. Came off. Hey, but guess what? We got dinner. Super pumped for that. And it's a nice smallmouth. We're gonna be able to make a lot of use out of that feller. Thank you, Mother Nature, for providing a meal for me tonight. I really appreciate that. But I'm gonna leave this fishing spot and gonna go somewhere more secluded. I like being alone when cooking and whatnot. So we're gonna get driving away from this fishing spot. Had a beautiful time here. It was absolutely amazing. So yeah, let's go get into some isolation and cook our foraged feast for the night. I don't know if that dog's friendly or not. Are you a nice dog? It's a really big dog. Nope, no. I mean, it kind of seems nice. You a good dog? You a good dog? Oh yeah, you're a good dog. All right, you're a good dog. You mind me just cooking some food back here? I don't think he really cares. Now there's an all black canine. I'm such a wuss. I'm sorry, but like dogs like that intimidate the crap out of me. Those dogs can be kind of rude. I'm sure they're not, but I'm a wuss. Oh my god. Oh my fuck. It was right behind me. Don't think I've ever banged my knee that hard in my life. Oh my. Oh, I'm surrounded. I can't do it. I cannot. I can't do it. You can make fun of me all you want in the comments below, but big dogs scare the crap out of me. And like, that was kind of a sketchy neighborhood, if I'm not trying to be rude to anyone, but like, it just looks a little sketchy. And I don't know. Like, it just made me very uneasy. And the dog, like, it was a nice dog, but there was like 4 others that were very intimidating. And that dog just would look at me and be like, and I didn't know if he was gonna, you know, bite me. We're gonna just go to an empty parking lot and call it good. Well, we made it to the cook spot. Can't camp here because I don't have a camp spot and it's on county land, so gonna move off of here. It is time to cook this fish up. I'm gonna fillet it outside of the truck and then we're gonna hop in the back and actually cook the meal. So start processing and cleaning up this fish. Beautiful fish. Go ahead and start filleting this guy up. I like to go back from the fin, make a line, and then kind of go down the back. Boom, fresh fillet right there. Ooh. We're gonna put egg in here. I gotta admire what it looks like now because I know it's about to look like absolute chaos. So how I'm gonna cook fish tonight is I'm gonna have egg. Gonna put the fish in there and then we're gonna put it in breading and then we're gonna put it on some vegetable oil. But first, need to get noodles boiling. So not gonna do all of them. I don't need all of them. More olive oil. About as fresh a fish as you can get. We officially have noodles and then some fresh cooked fish. It's actually not terrible. Hello? What?
What are you doing?
Let's review this fish and I'm gonna put all this stuff onto a plate and then bring it in the cab. Our first ever time trying smallmouth and then freshly cooked and caught. Dude, it's actually so good. It's almost like walleye, in my opinion. I think I'm scared of the dark. I cannot be out in the dark in the woods by myself for some reason. Maybe some people can relate. I'd assume so, but I don't know, I always feel like I'm being watched for some reason. I probably just freak myself out, but I'm not taking the chance. All right, seasoned noodles. It's like really dry, and then your saliva hits it, and it like makes it pretty good. It's actually not terrible. And then here's our fish. Okay, smallmouth is really good. Oh my goodness. It's not fishy at all. It's like really good. I always get so like scared filming videos like this, like where I need to rely on something out of my control to happen, you know, like fish biting. So I'm so happy it turned out. My first ever catch, clean, and cook. So hopefully you guys like it. If you do, make sure to drop a like. Appreciate it. It's weird. Seasoned noodles are definitely very weird. And if you want any of the baits I used today, they're all linked on my website. So make sure you go check those out. All the colors I used today are on there. I only use one bait, stunning swim bait. You can definitely survive off of $5, like very minimalistic. Say like, okay, you want bread, peanut butter, and jelly. Like you could probably survive off of $5 a week, but realistically, to get like decent food, and then if you're foraging also like off the land and stuff, you could probably get a really good like week's worth of stuff for 20 bucks. Like just a bunch of stuff. You'll obviously have to buy like salt and pepper and like seasonings, but other than that, like you could probably get away with doing it pretty good. Like pancakes are really cheap to make. You can definitely do stuff on a budget. I try to, but sometimes I do ball out a little bit. I mean, lobster tails are not cheap at all. And then head out to the camp spot for the night. So let's get out of here. God, my knee is still a little banged up. Oh. It's probably the one thing I dislike the most about like having a truck and camping out of it is like if you need something that's in the cab, you gotta get all the way out and go grab it. But that's really only the big main downside. Otherwise it's great and it's affordable. Just a one-time purchase with a nice truck and you're good to go, man. Overall, I'd say the challenge is a success. We've survived off of $5 today. Other than the gas, but that's out of the equation, at least in my book. Yeah, but overall it's a success. We caught dinner, we made dinner, and still a lot to tell the tale, so that is a plus. One thing I'm really looking forward to is the spring bite. We're like right here, and it's about to get really good. Some of the smallies I caught today were probably on beds. But I'm talking about largemouth, baby. Some of the big honeys are going to be moving up, and I'll make some great content. We got some, gonna put some spoilers out here for you, but got some boat content coming up. Got some camping out of other vehicles coming up, and we got some really big trips coming up. So I'd like to have you along for those rides. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, and also hit like on this video. Helps me out, and it's free. So thank you. Other than that, I really have nothing else for you guys tonight. Great day overall, though. Sad I didn't find any mushrooms, but it's alright. I think we made up for it. Fishing was decent. So that's good. All in all, we have survived off of $5 today. It was like it was under $5, so it's definitely doable for long term. If you guys would like to see a bigger version of this, maybe like a week of living off of like $20 or something, let me know. Food wise, obviously $20. I'm gonna have this, I would literally just stay stationary and not buy gas, you know. But $20 for food you can definitely survive off of for a week, and I can prove it for you guys if you want. But other than that, I am gonna hit the sack tonight, so I will see you guys in the morning. Good night. Ugh. Oh my goodness. I can't even try to fake sleep. I gotta pee so bad. Ooh. Slept really good though, so that's always awesome. Oh.
Hey, you fishing or monkey hunting?
Oh, I was actually sleeping.
Oh, you were sleeping?
Yeah.
Oh! Shit. You were in your truck sleeping?
Yep.
Oh, wow.
I film truck camping videos all around here, and wish I had that one on video. Oh. All right. Maybe I just got old. Oh my God, that hurt so bad. Ah, landed right on a rock. Just trying to get some video, and oh my goodness. Being a YouTuber is pretty dangerous, man. I'm just kidding. It's only dangerous if you make it dangerous. Yeah, overall, this video has been a success. We survived off of $5. Actually a little less than it, which I could have been filled in for something. We're just gonna say the water filled in for it, because I brought my own water. But I think this is where I'm gonna end this video, guys. So thank you so much to everyone that stayed this far in the video and watched it. You guys are absolutely awesome. Thank you to all the new subscribers. I really appreciate that. That is helping me accomplish my dreams and goals, and I can't thank you guys enough for that. So seriously, thank you. And if you would like to go get some amazing merchandise like this, make sure to go on over to byronsbaits.com, pick that up for yourself. Help support the gas on these videos and everything like that. So yeah, if you'd like to go pick up the baits, also byronsbaits.com. I think I've said it 3 times already. But yeah, I like my baits, and I'd like a lot of people to use them, because I believe that they work good. So, but me and Tundra have some exciting plans for these upcoming weeks, and I hope to have you along around for them. As always, I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching, and as always, explore until pour. Peace. TV screen, basically.
I just looked up at the...
Well, where do you want to start?
I don't know, when I come here in a kayak, I just go that way usually.
That works. I've only caught one Iowa bass this year, so I'm hoping to up the number today.
I get stuff like that a lot. And then,
Oh, really? Apparently, but oh, first one in the morning.
I have a crankbait on. Why didn't it bite mine? I have a crank station on.
Got a little 14-incher, 15, somewhere in there. Got my new bait here from Nathaniel Marthin, or Marling in the back. Nathaniel Marling.
Martin.
Marthin. I won't even know if I have a bite with this rod. Almost goes like all the way around. So like, is this template available? Like, is this on your course? So every bait you make, you just make a template and put it on the course?
Yeah, as long as...
Quite the art piece. Yeah.
Is that the crankbait again?
Yeah. Oh, stay down. Oh.
That was a frog. On the frog.
I think it was, no, it was on the swim bait.
Biggest one of the day. Oh. Biggest one of the day. On the swim bait. Just decided to narrate your video.
Yeah. What is that, 14? That's a healthy fish. Not bad, caught on the stunning swim bait. Yeah, just ripped it through those weeds and boom. How do you feel about this fish?
It's okay.
It's a bass, it's a bass.
Let's pull the bass. Go for it. I just caught a walleye.
Gotcha.
What can you keep here? I think it moved it. It smells kind of bad. We're not keeping it. It really smelled bad, that fish.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna. Oh my god.
Is she a dead person?
No, that speedboat is like.
Oh.
I went to your house and made baits with you. Oh. Low base. That one's dark. Is this a spot? No.
Ooh, yeah, it's got the line. Ooh, I might have got one too. Oh. They like to jump. The spots do.
It kind of.
Oh, that's not a spot. So yeah, that one has a really strong lateral line.
And like it has like you see these.
Yeah. I think you got a spot.
Same dock too. Me and Nate Marling.
Same size.
Yep. Each on our own baits.